Did you know you can use your mobile phone as a mic? Watch this video to the end and I will teach you how you can use your mobile phone as a mic. Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use your phone as a mic. So guess what? You don't even need those expensive mics, those jars to create good and wonderful videos for people to watch. All you need is your mobile phone. So with just your mobile phone, you can create an amazing video using your phone as a mic. So let's get started. So you can go straight to your Play Store and download ASR for Android phones sound recorder. But if you don't mind, I would like to teach you how you can use your built-in voice recorder on your phone so you can get amazing sound from your mobile phone as a mic. So let's get started. First of all, you record the sound. When you tap here and you record the sound. If you don't use your phone for interview, you just position your phone in the mouth of the interviewer, right? The interviewer, and the person you are interviewing. So you just put your phone in the mouth of the person you are interviewing, so they talk directly into your phone. But first of all, you record separately. So if the camera is recording you, all you have to do is just extract the sound into the video. So and you just need to learn how you sync it. So many a times, many people like to make a clap. So when they want to sync in the video, they'll just remember the clap, just mesh clap to clap, then the video will just continue from there. But I like to give you a step-by-step tutorial so you can see how everything is being done. So first of all, you record your sound. So I'll say, my name is Freething and I'd like you to subscribe to Create with Freething, because in this channel we'll be teaching you how to record, how to create, how to edit, how to do so many things. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel so you don't have to miss our videos. So after having your recorded tape, all you have to do, you can rename it so you don't lose track of it. So for this, I'll say my sound. So after naming it, what do you do? If you already have a recorder, like if you already have a cam recording you right now, all you have to do is go ahead and extract the voiceover, the voiceover you already did, the recorded tape you already did just now into the video. But if you don't, if you like to use this sound into a video or a clip, you like to put this sound, what do? You go straight to your CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut, now is the right time. Go straight to your Play Store and download CapCut or VN, but for this tutorial, I like you to download CapCut. I know VN is also a nice app for editing, but I like you to go ahead and download CapCut so you understand what I'm teaching you. So we'll head over to our CapCut. When you head over to your CapCut, you start a new project. So when you start a new project, you import the video you like to edit. So let's go with this. You add it to your timeline. So once the video is done on your timeline, you will find out this already have a sound. Hey guys, welcome to Create with Freething. But we don't want to use this sound over here. We want to use the sound we already recorded. So if this cam right now was recording us, definitely the cam will be hearing what we are saying, but we're using our own phone as a mic. Definitely it will be picking the sound more clearly because it's close to our mouth. You understand? So we'll rather prefer using our phone as a mic than just putting the camera over there to see what we are doing and you hear this echo. You understand me? So let's continue. So what do we want to do? We want to reduce the sound on the cam, just like we want to reduce the sound in this video right now. So only the one we recorded will come out well, because that one is very close to our mouth and everything we say was being recorded effectively. So you go straight to your volume and you reduce it, take it all the way to 0. Then how do you, somebody want to ask, okay Mr. Freething, how do I put the recorded sound on the video? Since I'm new to CapCut, I'm new to editing, what do I do? So what do you do here? You go straight to your audio. After tapping on your audio, you see sounds, you see background music, you see copyright, you see sound effects, you see so many tools right here. You will see extract and record. You don't touch record because the sound you already recorded is not on record. Touching record means you want to record a new sound, but you already have a sound you already recorded. So what do? You go back. After you go back, you tap on sound. The first on the list there, you tap on sound. When you tap on sound, if I was on data mode, if I on data on this one right now, you will be seeing CapCut already has listed sound. I can use so many sound over here, any sound I want, but I don't want to use those many sounds. I want to use the sound I recorded on my video, the sound I recorded that I want to use on my video. So I don't just want to pick any random sound. I want to pick what I say on the mic to the video. So what do? You scroll. So you tap on this next icon over here and it will show you extracted sound. Extracted means you want to remove sound from somewhere. Extract, you want to remove sound from somewhere. Maybe you want to remove sound from video, but we don't want to extract anything. We want to pick that recorded tape we already have. So what do? We tap on this next one, which is device. We tap on device. When you tap on device, you will see that recorded audio you already did will come here now as a sound, and you can simply use it on your video. So you tap on I named it. So if you don't name your sound, you will have issue there because you want to try this out. You want to touch this one and hear what it's saying over there. You want to touch the other one to know what it's saying. So you have issue looking for the sound you recorded. But if you already named it just as I did here, my sound, you just go straight and type my sound. So automatically your sound will just be on the video. All you have to do right now is just to trim it or to sync it, so it will come the same time your cam is it will come the same time you recorded your cam. Just if I say hello, hi, my name is Freething, and the cam also recorded that the same thing because the recording is on same motive, like is on same motion. So anything we do this period will just be accordingly. So anything off, we just automatically spoil the recorded stuff we just did. So at this time, if is this video I'm recording right now, I want to link to this, you just see it will just merge. But since I'm bringing the recorded tape into a new video, it will not really come out well. But I just want to let you know that the sound will be top notch since I'm teaching you how to use your phone as a mic. So let's hear what we have here. So I'll say, my name is Freething and I'd like you to subscribe to Create with Freething because in this... Did you just see how the sound came out well? You don't need those expensive mic. All you have to do is just use your mobile phone. You can use your mobile phone as a mic until you have a good enough money to buy expensive mic, because mic are so expensive. I won't even advise anyone who have two phones. If you have two phones, what do you need mic for? You can use your one phone and record, use the other one and video. Definitely, because mics are expensive. So what do we do now? We trim. So we trim. I want to teach you how to sync as well. Since I have teach you how to use your phone as a mic, it will be of no relevance if you don't even know how to operate it fully. How you can use it to deliver your video. After using it as mic, okay, how do I edit it? How do I bring it up that when somebody see this video, they'll be like, is it your mic you use for this video? Like somebody will be curious after seeing the result. If I don't teach you the whole process, then it will be of no relevance. I'm creating this video. So let's go straight to how to sync. So over here right now, you see, so we want to take it from here. We'll say so what you do, you split, you delete the rest part, then you move it down. So I'll say, my name is Freething and I'd like you to subscribe to Create with Freething because in this channel we'll be teaching you how to record. If you even look the video right now, if you even look the video over here and the voiceover, you just think I already watched this video before saying what I say, because it just sync directly. It came out well. You understand me? So I'll say, my name is Freething and I'd like you to subscribe. And when you sync your video like this, all you have to do is you go straight to your audio, you increase the sound so you get a perfect volume. You see how clear it is. So I'll say, my name is Freething and I'd like you to subscribe to Create with Freething because in this channel we'll be teaching you how to record, how to create, how to edit. And after doing this, all you have to do is export your video and boom. That's how you use your phone as a mic. You don't need expensive camera, expensive jazz, you don't need expensive mic. All you have to do, you just need a mobile phone and you can use it for your clean editing and it will give you a clear audio. You don't need stress. All you need is your mobile phone. With this, we'll call it the end of the video. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if it's your first time seeing us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't have to miss any of our videos. This is Creator Freething. See you on our next video. Bye.